Hello everyone. For today's Teacher Professional Development, we'll be looking at the Nearpod app and website. Nearpod is an all-in-one solution for a mobile device in education, and we'll just simply do just a brief overview of what Nearpod looks like and what it can do. So if you notice down here, if you scroll down here, there are lesson plans for all subjects, and they're all ready to teach. Most of these lesson plans are free, and there are some that are paid versions as well. So just to kind of give you an example of what it looks like, we're going to first log in. And here I'm going to log in with my Google account, which brings me to this page here. And if I simply click on my library, it'll take me to one of my lessons that I am getting ready to teach. So all I have to simply do is click this button right here, and it'll launch a code. Notice it generates a code. Now this code should pop up on all of your students' iPads so that they may be able to participate in the lesson together as a class. And there are links down here as well. If you want to send a remind or use Google Classroom, you can email, or you can even send it out on social media as well. This code, that is. And if you notice here on the upper left hand corner, you'll see the code right here. It generates a code, so just in case if one of the kids accidentally signed themselves out or typed in the wrong code, this code you'll be able to give them this code and it'll bring them back on the same page. So with this, you can do so many things. You could design this in so many different ways, but one of the things I like about it is the teacher's in control of the lesson. So the students are not able to go back and forth on it. They're not allowed to go anywhere. They have to stay on the lesson. And as the teacher scrolls over, this is exactly what the students will see as well. So I hope you like this demonstration of Nearpod, and we will talk more about this. Thank you so much.